హైదరాబాద్ హెచ్ఐసిసిలో తెలంగాణ క్రెడాయ్ మొదటి రాష్ట్ర స్థాయి సమావేశం జరుగుతోంది. ప్రస్తుతం తెలంగాణ గవర్నర్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
అసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా శ్రీ రామేశ్వర్ రావు గారు చైర్మన్ మై హోమ్ గ్రూప్, శ్రీ ఇంద్రసేన రెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీ జి రామరెడ్డి గారు, and my respects to all the dignitaries who are present here, the developers, the builders, my media friends. It is a moment of joy and pride to be here. So when I wanted to come here, this is the first conference of CREDAI with 15 chapters, and as all the organizers mentioned, definitely it will grow into 20 chapters and more. My wishes for that. And apart from that, I congratulate you all, the organizers, the members of CREDAI, for your social responsibility, particularly during the pandemic period, and you have done exemplary work in helping the people, particularly in the Warangal district, Karimnagar, Mechal, Mahbub Nagar. And I also appreciate that you have a youth wing. So it's a young country. So any organization with youth wing definitely will progress. I'm not telling all our others are old, because others are more younger than the youth wing, because you are all so enthusiastic, and you are a part of the development of the country as well as a part of development of Telangana. And as it is mentioned by all the speakers, Telangana is a developing state. When compared to other states, we are developing more faster than other states, even though it is an youngest state. And you take an important part in the development of the state. And when I was about to come here, one of the person asked why it is called real estate, whether there is any fake estate. Then I learned that the real estate is a Latin word which means genuine, and estate is the English translation of the old French word status. And this real estate is a word which is practiced since 1660, I believe, one of the oldest word which is practiced in the world. So you all take the credit, and CREDAI is credible, I can say. So, and I am not a very expert in assessing the land or buildings, but the way you presented here, really the responsibility and the social responsibility you showed on the people of Telangana. And as a doctor, I appreciate the blood donation camps which you organized. And apart from that, my appeal is, because here builders are there, developers are here. Now, because of the pandemic, every organization, every effort is different from the pre-corona situation. So you have to concentrate whenever you plan now. You have to plan the houses or the estates or the buildings in the pandemic, how to face the pandemic period also, with space, with air space, everything. Because we may have to live with the situation of pandemic for little more years, I believe, because we thought we will be away from corona, but now Omicron has come. So only everyone, I appeal everyone, please wear mask and take the vaccination. And I always think, because builders are here and estate owners are here, organizers are here, whenever, even during my younger days, when we dream a house, it's always say, a house is not with cement and beams. It is the house is with care and dreams. So everyone dreams a house. So owning a house is the pride in each and everyone's life. So you are adding pride. So I congratulate each and everyone, and you are reaching out the economically compromised people also. Previously, before the real estates and organizations like CREDAI, the owning a house is only the chance of life of the economically affluent people. But now we are reaching out the economically compromised people also. And I always say, whenever I go and see a house, or whenever the real estate builders show a house, they will say this is 2-bedroom house, 3-bedroom house. And my appeal is, because the pandemic, sometimes we have to live in lockdowns also. So I always think everyone is showing 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. Why no one is showing book rooms? So a small space for a book room, my appeal is at least a corner for books, because we have to live in the lockdown period. We don't know how long we have to live with the pandemic. So we have to innovative thinking, because when I was saying that this is a correct forum to put forth my idea, and you are all always practicing the greenhouse method, and how to save the electricity. The energy which is saved today is the earning tomorrow, and we are producing the energy tomorrow, and today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. So what all may be the plan to save the energy and to save the life and improve the mood of the people. Whenever the people inside the house also, they should be very happy. In Tamil, there is a old proverb saying that Elivalai aanalum Thalivalai. Even it may be a rat hole, it should be a private hole. So everyone wishes that. So in this era of real estate, everyone dreams a house. So you are aiding them to have a house, to own a house. And I appreciate all, particularly not only in your professional activities, but also in your service activities. I wish you all the best. And as I said, let your chapters increase in number, widen your horizon, and you serve more people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for your kind words. And now, let me invite Mr. Indrasena Reddy Garu, Secretary, CREDAI, Telangana, to please speak a few words.
మై హోమ్ అన్న పేరు వినగానే మనకు గుర్తుకు వచ్చేది